Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Investing in Vietnam Stock Market with Văn Thưởng. Today I'm gonna share with you how to know the market, the general market bottom, and how to support the new little stock in the new bull market or after market correction. Because I think this topic is very critical, very significant for trader, for speculator, and for investor as well. So, I've used this philosophy for a long time, and I always, catch the little stock, the little sector in the new bull market. So, as you know, this the VN index chart in the bear market 2022, and as you know, the general market when it down usually has three down leg. So the down leg number one and the stock rally, and the down leg number two and stock rally again, and the third down leg. So mm, in the third down leg, the leader stock hold up very well. So when the general market keep going down, but at the time the leader stock, hold very well. So while the leader stock make the new lows, but while the general market make the new low, but the leader stock make a higher high. So and I'm gonna find the leader stock, the leader sector in three areas that I call. Number one is predictive, number two is coincident, and number three is confirming. So I'm gonna give you the chart, and I'm gonna give you the specific example in this three area, right? So while the general market keep going down, and so as you can see here, the black one is the stock, the individual stock, and the the blue one is the index. So as you know, while the general market keep going down, but as you can see here, the leader stock, hold up very well and it's rally. So and they are gonna form a base here. So for example, the BCP voluntarily contraction pattern, or cup with handle, or triple bottom, or high tie flag, or flat base, or triangle, a lot of consolidating base. So and you can see here the leader stock set up in here, and when the general market break out, sorry, when the general market just rally, so and we don't know it's the low, it's the bottom of the stock. So at the time the leader stock break out the base and move up. So and the general market keep going down in this area. So at the time, either thing can happen. One, the little stock just pull back a little bit, and you know, and the general market bottom and it keep go up, so the stock can move up very quickly. So or two, the stock can pull back very fast and hit your stop loss. So in this situation, you have to trim your stop. You have to cut your loss. So because I always think risk first. I never think the profit first. So I have to keep my loss very small, and I let my profit keep going. Okay. So and you know when the general market bottom, it usually has the follow through day, and I'm gonna look at in this area I call coincidence. Coincidence, when a general market break out coincidentally with the leader stock. So, and how do you know the general market bottom? I usually use the follow through day, William O'Neill follow through day. Mm. So the the leader stock breakout, the base it could coincidentally coincidentally with the general market, right? And how to identify, how to detect the follow through day. So in order to detect the follow through day, you have to determine the first day of recovery, right? So, and I'm gonna share with you three ways to determine the first day of recovery. Number one, when the index closed above of the yesterday. So, for example, yesterday the index closed or any index closed at 1,000 point, and today index closed at 1,005 point. So, or 1,010 point. Oh, that's the first day of recovery. Number two is when the when the index when the buyers are stronger than the sellers. Okay, so for example, so in the morning the index mm, goes up 30 or 40 points. It's equal 1 or 2%. But when the index close in the end of the day, the index close just going up 1 or sorry, the number two identify determine the first day of recovery. So, for example, in the morning, the index going down 30 or 40 point, but in the end of the day, the index closed just going down 1 or 2 point. So that means the the buyer are stronger than the seller, right? So, I'll give you perfect example, and I'm gonna demonstrate so that you can understand more clear. Okay, so wait a minute. So, I'm gonna share with you three way to detect the first day of recovery, right? So, for example, mm, the index in and downtrend like this, and you know, yesterday had a dark candle like this, but today the stock closed in close above the lowest point in here. So today the stock closed like this. So that means that is the first day of recovery, right? So on number two, the the index go down like this, and there a dark candle in here. So like this. And today in the morning, sorry, In the morning, the index go down like this. So, but in the end of the day, the index close in here and no, the white. So the index close here. That's the first day recovery as well. Okay, so I already showed you two ways to determine the first day of recovery, or the market go down like this and have a dark candle here. Yesterday have a candle here, a dark candle, and today the index closed above 50% of this candle, 50%. So, for example, the highest price, the highest point this day is 1,000 point, and the low is the 950 point. So 90% is 970 point, right? So when the index close above 975 points, that close above 50% of the day, that's the first day of recovery. Okay, so I already shared with you three ways to determine, to detect the first day recovery. Okay, and the follow through day. So in order to identify the follow through day, you have to identify the the first day recovery, right? So, and as William O'Neill said, the follow through day usually happen from day number 4 to number 7. Okay, so when you when the first day recovery happened, you count day number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. So the follow through day usually happens in this day. Okay. So and sometimes the follow through day happen from the day number 8 to 11. But when the follow through day happen lately like that, so the bull market is not strong enough, is not the strong bull market. Okay, so the optimal follow through day happening from day 4 to day 7, you know. So and the criteria of this day, the index have to close above 1.5% with gigantic volume. Okay, and the volume is bigger than the previous day and above the 50-day volume average. So let me give you perfect example. So this is the 50-day moving average, 50-day volume average, and you know the the first day the volume in here, day number 2 in here, number 3 in here, and the follow through day the volume be like this. It's bigger than the 50-day volume average, right? So, and the follow through day, you have to be above 1.5%. Okay, so the bigger the better, and the volume is the bigger the better too. Okay, so and yeah, mm, so I have to recharge my battery. Sorry about that. So how many friends are watching my live stream? So let me see. Oh, there are some people watching my live stream. Thank you. So I'm gonna give you the value that you have to, you can make a lot of money in stock market. So I'm I'm helping a lot of people in the world, the local investor and the foreign investor as well. So, I have two YouTube channel. One is the Vietnamese YouTube channel and one in English. So, I want to help the foreign investor and the local investor as well. So I'm gonna do live stream in and almost every week. And in Vietnamese YouTube channel, I'm gonna live stream in Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And the English YouTube channel, I'm gonna do live stream at Wednesday, Wednesday and Friday. So today is Friday, and I'm doing live stream in the English channel. So if you have any questions, or if you want me to convince anything in Vietnam stock market, or you are investing in Vietnam stock market, please give a comment below, put a comment below, and I'm gonna help you. So, and the general market has a follow through day, and the leader stock break out the base. So, and that the leader stock, and when the general market keep go up and then they pull back. So if the stock set up in this area, I call it confirming. Okay, the last one confirming. So the stock set up coincidentally with the general market. Okay, and when the general market, you know this the resistance, and when the leader stock set up in this area, and you know the leader stock break out the base, and that leads the market. Okay, so and I'm gonna share with you a chart, and I think and that the stock market work. So that's the bull market. You can see here the bull market and the bear market. So the this one is the leader stock. This one is the leader sector, the leader group. This one is general market, and this line is the follow-up stock, the penny stock. So as you can see here in the bull market, the leader stock bottom first, right? So you can see here the leader stock bottom first, and then the leader group and the the leader sector. So and then the general market, and then the larger stock and the penny stock. So I see a lot of investor, a lot of speculator, a lot of trader. They usually wait for follow through day. So follow through day when the market bottom, but when they do it, you know, they miss the leader stock and the leader group. So because the leader stock and the leader group bottom first, and you can miss the big move. So I wanna look for the leader stock first, and the leader sector, and then the general market. I always buy the leader stock and the leader group in the new bull market. I never buy the follow-up stock or the penny stock in here, because the the gain, the returns is not big enough. The leader stock, the gain is very big, and I can make a bunch of money. Okay, so and to clarify that, I'm gonna give you a lot of examples to illustrate this important knowledge, important philosophy. Okay, and these five types of stock I'm gonna look for. So history shows that more than 96% of super performance stock emerge from the bear market and general market correction. Do your homework while the market is down, and you will be prepared to make a big profit when it turns up. So, and there are five types of stock I'm gonna look for. So, mm, you know, I see a bunch of amateur trader, amateur investor, or amateur speculator. They usually pick the stock that go up the most, and I think it's the big mistake because when the stock go up the most, there are some problem for this stock, right? So, and maybe the company face some challenge, or the company has some problem, or the fundamental deteriorate, uh, de- dere- deteriorate. Okay, so, and these are five types of stock I'm gonna look for. So number one, stock that correct the least amount during the market declining period, trading within 25% of 52-week high. The closer to the new high, the better. Okay, that's number one. So number two, stocks that are base building, consolidating within the context of the long-term uptrend. Number three, stock that shows in price of the market low, the largest percentage mover. Number four, recent IPO coming out of the basis. Number five, a proliferation of stock emerging through proper buy point out of basis. Okay, that five type of stock I'm gonna look for, and I'm gonna choose to capture to cut the big move in the new bull market. Okay, and I'm gonna give you a lot of example to demonstrate it. Okay. Okay, and I'm gonna give you a lot of example of the little stock in the new bull market. Okay, so that the home stock in 1978, you know, mm, in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So when the Dow Jones in a downtrend, you can see here the the index, the Dow Jones in a downtrend, but the individual stock, this stock in an uptrend, and you can see here the little stock base cup with handle in here, and this day the little stock break out the base, so it called coincidence, right? You can see here the follow through day, the Dow Jones has the follow through day in here. So this is the coincidence, right? So, and you can see here the little stock go up very, very fast, from 0.4 dollar to $0.55. So this stock already declined. So that's why the price is so cheap. And you can see here the big return, the big profit in here. That's the size of the leader stock in the new bull market. Okay, so I drink some water. The next stock is GRA. So you can see here the leaders are the general market in and downtrend, but you can see here this stock in an uptrend, and you can see here the leader stock based VCP volatility contraction pattern, uh, without McManavini, so he pioneered it. So and this day this stock out the VCP McManavini bought here this day, and you know and you can see here the little stock had the big return. The price by point is $6 to over $15 in just 1 2 months. One over 100% in just 2 months. That's the hefty return, right? So the big return. So and the next thing is this stock Amgen. So in 1990, the Nasdaq in and downtrend in the bear market, but you can see here the little stock in the new bull market. While the the general market make the new lows, you can see here, but the individual stock, this stock make the new high. Okay, so and then it break out the base, the VCP base. You can see here one time, two times, three times, four times, and this stock break out this day with gigantic volume. Okay, that's the leader stock. Number three, mm, you know, Vapoxan. You can see here the general market in and up and in and down trend, but the individual stock in and up trend. So you can see here the leader stock form a VCP. Okay, one, two, three, and you know the last time, the volume is negligible, and you know this day the stock break out the base with gigantic volume, and you can see here the stock move up very very quickly. Okay, from 18 to 15, 50. That's the big return, right? So over almost 200% in just one, uh, 1 2 3 in just 3 months. So that's the big return, right? So the next one is this stock while the market in and downtrend, but stock in and uptrend. You can see here, and the stock form a close handle here, and this day the stock break out the base, and you see the average. Oh, the average here. So this stock go up 50% in just 10 days. That makes your portfolio, that makes your capital, go up very, very quickly. So I usually choose this type of stock, and I can make the big return. So, and I'm using this philosophy in Vietnam stock market, and I think it's suitable. I know it's suitable in Vietnam stock market as well, and because it's the supply and demand, and every market, every stock market are familiar. Okay, it's the same, and the next stock is boom. So when the general market in and downtrend, but the stock in and uptrend, and you can see here the stock form a VCP base, and the stock break out the base with gigantic volume, right? So the volume is very very big, and you see the average. This stock go up 90% in the flat market. The big return while the general market in and flat. The general market is flat and the little stock go up 90%. That's the big return as well. Okay, so the next the next stock is mm, chart point. So okay, once again, when the general market in and downtrend, but the stock in an uptrend. So you can see here the stock set up the VCP pattern, and the last side the volume is small, the volume is negligible, right? So when the volume dry up, it means the supply don't come to the market anymore. Okay, so when the supply don't come to the market anymore, so the with a little bit demand, the stock can move up very very quickly. Okay, you look at the leverage. So from 150 to over 250. That's the big return in just 1 to 3 months. Okay, that's the little stock. Oh, and number three, the fastest mover. Okay, the fastest percentage mover. So if you can see here, when the general market in and downtrend, but and the leaders the stock in and downtrend as well. But you can see here from the bottom to the top, the stock move up very quickly. It goes from 20 to 30 in just that day. That's the big demand. So that means the institution are buying the stock, and I want to own this stock because the institution are supporting my stock, right? So and Mark Manavini buy this day. So when it pull back and tie in the right side, so the volume is negligible and stock break out with the big volume. So it means the institution are buying the stock, and the stock can move up very very quickly. Okay, the next one is this stock. So the stock went from the top the top to the peak, the top to the peak. In just 18 days, you can see here, and it form a cup with handle in here, and these days the stock break out the cup with handle with gigantic volume, right? So and you know Mark Vini bought this day, and the stock can move up very very quickly. Okay, so look at the leverage, the big return, the big profit in here, from you know 50 to 150 in just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half months. That's a big return. Okay. Number four is the recent IPO coming out of the base. So you can see here this the Amazon in 1997. So you can see here I never buy a stock before IPO, or I never stock when the stock doesn't form a base. I usually buy a stock when it form the first base. Okay, the first base. You can see here this the VCP. So the last time the volume is very small. The volume is negligible, and this stock break out the base with gigantic volume. See here. So the stock go from 29 to 40 in just 2 days. Now that's the hefty return. Okay. So, and if you can pick this stock, your capital, your portfolio can go up very quickly and you can make a lot of money in the stock market. The next one is the IPO as well. So you can see here the stock tighten from the left to the right, and the stock break out this day with the big volume. So the stock moved from 16 to 30 in just 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Wow, that's incredible. That's insane. So the next stock is just supporting. You can see here the first day. You can see here the VCP, volatility contraction pattern, and the stock break out the base with gigantic volume. The volume is big, and you know this stock move up very very quickly. The next one, okay, it's the same. It's the same. So, and the last one, you know, and that Amazon. You can see here. So when the general market in and downtrend, the little stock in downtrend as well. But in this day, in this area, you can see here, while the general market in and downtrend, but the little stock make the new high, right? In an uptrend. So and Amazon's former BCP base here and McMahon Vini bought here when this stock break out the VCP base, look at the leverage. This stock from 20 or 18 or 19, so to 60 in just 1, 2, 3, 4 months. Wow, that's incredible, right? So the big return. Okay. So and oh, that the this one is very important. So it's Amazon in 2002. So you can see here, the Amazon when the general market in and downtrend, but the Amazon in an uptrend, right? So and Amazon former cup with handle here, and it break out the base with gigantic volume, and that the little stock in 2002. But right now, so look at Amazon right now in 2022. So last year. So right now, Amazon becomes the market, right? So Amazon 1-for-1 correction to the market, right? So when the general market in and downtrend, the Amazon in and downtrend as well. So when the general market rally, the Amazon rally, and the general market make the neutral leg, and the Amazon make the neutral leg as well. So right now, Amazon becomes the market, and it's not right now. It's not a little stock anymore. So right now you shouldn't buy Amazon. No, because every new bull market had a lot of the little stock, the new little stock, and the new little industry. Okay, and you can see here this Netflix. This confirming. You can see here the general market in uptrend. So you can see here the little stock, and in this area the general market in downtrend. but the little stock this stock in an uptrend. So and the Netflix from a VCP base here. So the stock break out this base with gigantic volume, right? So that the leader stock in the new bull market. The the last one is lumber. Okay, so while the general market in an downtrend, but the leader stock in an uptrend, right? And it form a flat base here. So and the leader stock break out the flat base and make the big return, big profit, right? So that a lot of example I already share with you how to know the general market bottom and support a leader stock in the new bull market. And I think it's very critical. Okay, so if you can choose the leader stock, you can make a lot of profit. You can make a lot of money. Okay, so and right now Vietnam stock market in an correction. Okay, so and you know right now Vietnam stock market had 2 day recovery, right? So I'm gonna get back the chart and I'm gonna show you. So and I'm gonna share with you the stock bottom or not. Okay, so right now we are in a correction, right? So and you have the first day recovery here, day number two, number three. So and right now a lot of trader, a lot of speculator waiting for the follow through day, right? William O'Neill follow through day, but I think it's very difficult happening. So why am I saying that? So because I see there is no leader stop set up in this area. So that's why the the general market difficult to have the follow through day. So and because I think there is no because no there is no leader stop, you know, setting up in this area. So look at the leader stop in this bull market and the big company in Vietnam stock market. So and to dissect the leader stock to dissect the general market bottom or not. Okay. So and the first stock is the stock company VND. So you can see a VND in a downtrend, right? VND in a downtrend, and the stock doesn't set up, you know the optimal is this stock, you know to go flat in here in this area. So and it can move up. So because right now VND in a downtrend and it's very difficult for this stock to go up like this, to go up like a V shape. So the stock cannot recover like this. So the optimal is the best is the stock go flat in here before it can move up. So number two is SSI. What is that? So let me close the window. Okay, I'm coming back. So SSI, SSI right now in and downtrend, right? You can see here, this stock make the lower low and the lower high. You can see here the lower low, the lower high. So right now SSI is in state for downtrend. So this stock cannot lead the market. Okay. Another sector is material and construction. So construction is HSV. So sorry, this stock in and downtrend as well, right? So right now I don't see any stock that can lead the market. At least the stock have to set up in this area. So and and then stock can move up. So right now the stock in and downtrend. So that's why it's very difficult for this stock to go up like a V shape like this. Okay, the stock cannot go like this. It's very tough, right? So that's why this sector cannot lead the market. Another one, LCG. Oh, this stock in stay for downtrend as well, right? The the stock, right now sees under the MA and the short-term MA is under the long-term MA, right? The short-term moving average is under the long-term moving average. So it means the stock is stay for downtrend, right? The other ones, BCG, BC, BCG is stay for downtrend as well. Right now, this stock in a downtrend and it doesn't set up in here. So that's why this stock cannot lead the market. So let's go, you know, material like SFG. Okay, this stock is, you know, mm, it doesn't set up in here, so it's just a day of recovery, right? So, you know, mm, this stock is better, right? So, this stock have to consolidate in here before it can move up. So, and the other sector is bank, STB. STB in and downtrend, right? In and downtrend, and right now this stock cannot lead the market. You know, mm, VCB, the downtrend in here, and right now it's just rally. So this stock needs to be consolidating in here before it can go up, right? BID, BID in and downtrend, or you can draw like this, right? This stock in and downtrend, right? So and right now stock is under the moving average and the short-term moving average is under the long-term moving average, and that means this stock is in downtrend, right? So, and a lot of stock in VN30, like the bank, the steel, the real estate, the technology, the energy, the stock company. So everything stock in VN30, that affect the most of VN index. So, and right now I see a lot of stock in VN30 in a downtrend and that break down the support. So, and right now a lot of stock is in a downtrend. So, and they know little stock can lead the market. So that's why the general market, VN index, I think it's very tough to have a follow through day in here. And I the high probability the stock just you know consolidate in here and it can it keep going down and like this. So it keep going down and so when the general market keep going down but the leader stock consolidate and move to step to uptrend. So that's why that's the place where the market bottom, right? Okay, and right now I am talking to you that the general market keep going down and because they know the stock in this area, right? And they know little stock in the market, so that's why the market cannot go up. Okay, so yeah, that's the message I wanna share with you. How to detect, how to identify the market bottom and pick and support the little stock in the new bull market. I think it's very important, right? So if you use this philosophy, you can make a lot of money in stock market. Okay, that's my sharing today. And you know, if this is the first time you come to my YouTube channel, please give me a thumbs up, turn on notification, and give me a like. So when I do a live stream, when I release a video, you are the first one to see my live stream to learn from me, right? So I have 4 year experiences when it comes to investing in Vietnam stock market. So if you have any questions, if you have any concern, so please contact me or you can comment below. And I use phone, I use WhatsApp. And if you are living in Vietnam, if you are living in Ho Chi Minh, Hanoi or Da Nang City, if you use Zalo, if you use WhatsApp, you can contact me. My phone is my phone number is +84 374 812 852. So you can contact me all the time. You can you can you want to make you want to open an account in the VPS company. So I put a QR code in this live stream and you can just scan it to open an free account in VPN company. Okay, so and you can contact me and I'm gonna help you. Okay, so and I just wanna say Vietnam stock market is a good place, the good market. So and whether Vietnam stock market go to the emerging market, a lot of money from investor pouring into the Vietnam stock market, right? So, and right now, Vietnam is developing every day. Vietnam is developing country, and you know, stock market is a good place to create wealth, to make a bunch of money. Okay, so start my sharing with you guys today and see you in the next live stream. Bye bye.